Hello students, Standard 9 IT Chapter 6 Analyzing Data in the Computer Activity 6.4 If to categorize data. Here there is a function called if that is used to categorize our data according to a condition or based on a criteria given. For that we can use already built function that is if. Here we can categorize or we can give some condition, and based on a condition we can categorize these values. That is, we are using a criterion, that is if the temperature is below 30 degree, then it is cool climate, otherwise it is hot climate. For that we can give a heading, that's the climate, which climate they have. Okay, first we have to select the cell, then where the result is to be displayed, that cell we have to be selected. Then take the function tool, function wizard, click here, then there is a function called if, if, and click on next. Here we have to find the condition, we have to give the condition. In this text box, test, there is a test, then value, otherwise value. So we have to give a condition. If the condition is true, then give here the then value, or if the condition is false, then give it in the otherwise value. Listen here, if the condition is if the average temperature is below 30, so where is the temperature, average temperatures column or rounded mean temperatures column, we can select it. It is F2. It is okay, F2. Select F2 is less than, this is the less than symbol, you know that, less than 30, then value, then what is to be displayed, then we can give cool climate, cool climate, that must be given in a double quotes, okay. Then if the condition is false, or if the temperature is greater than 30, then they must display hot climate. Okay, that is the values we have given. Then click OK. Then we can say here it is hot climate, it's greater than 31, sorry, greater than 30, it's 31, so it is hot climate. Then we can drag it down. When this plus symbol comes, click and drag. Okay, the displayed hot climate, cool climate. When the temperature is below 30, here displays cool climate. Okay, for this purpose we only used a if function, and automatically it categorizes the value based on that condition that we have given. So it is very important and a useful tool in LibreOffice Calc. Many uses are there for the condition if. Okay, thank you.